talking to strangers.
Dude, you weren't that good. I could have done it. Anyone could have done it. My grandma could have done it.
No, wait, no. I was so good. I was so good. No, it's for real. Okay, no, for real.
Yeah.
Okay, no, there I was. There was like 48. Okay, 48. They're all there. Okay, they were all over the place. Okay, I just bumped them. They were down. Okay.
Oh yeah, you can do that to me. I can beat you anytime, man.
No, forget it.
Yeah, no, I can beat you.
That's right. You belong on the ground.
Well, where'd she come from?
Hi, my name's Samantha, but they call me Bill. Hi, this is Bobby, and they call him Dexter. Hi.
So.
My mother had an operation.
So?
She got her stomach pulled out. It's so great. But ponies are much better. You want to go inside and play ponies with me?
Will you give us chips?
Yeah.
Chips, really?
Yeah.
Wait, go away.
I have my own Facebook page.
You got a funny profile. Sweet. Yes.
Turn here. Chips on here.
No, big bug first.
Here, let's brush the pony's hair. Brush the hair. That's Poopy, and that's Buttercups. Let's brush your hair.
No, let's get the chips.
Now let's brush the hair.
Where are all the chips?
I want to brush the hair.
Yo, what the heck was that?
What was that?
That was my mommy. She's a little sick. You want to meet her?
If that's where the chips are.
Yeah,
Let's go.
no.
Seriously?
Dude.
Dude, your mom is totally wasted.
You got medication.
Where are the chips? Okay, I don't see any chips. I see empty soda cans. I see a remote. I see crumbs, but I don't see any chips. I only want my chips. I don't care about your stupid ponies. I want the chips.
You have committed pony sacrilege. Let the sacrifices begin. Come back! Come back!
Chips. Oh, pardon me. I didn't notice you there. I believe you noticed that this was based on a true story, if you believe it or not. And I must tell you never ever to talk to strangers. You don't know what little children could do to you if you ever got too close. Mommy would be very upset with you. So, be good, behave, and be kind. Good day.